everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we got regular cheese raviolis, right, from Costco. We got this from Costco, you know, quick and easy, right? We got salt, we got pepper, we got just regular tomato sauce, and guys, we got berkshire pork chops, right? These suckers are going to be good, I hope. I've never had them before. It's supposed to be the best pork that you can get out there, and we're going to find out. We're going to find out. These are going to be cooked outside on the grill, so I'll meet you guys out there. We're just putting salt and pepper. That's it. Salt, pepper, and the meat. We'll be back. All right, guys, so we're outside, right? Now our grill is screaming hot. Just going to give it a good wipe down while it's nice and hot. Clean the grill up real good. And then, of course, I'm gonna oil down the grates with a little bit of avocado oil, paper towel avocado oil, just to get our grates nice and clean, help beat back that rust, right? And our food won't stick, right? Now let's go for our second wipe, right? Let's see how dirty it is. Much cleaner, because we don't want to be eating soot, right? Alright, guys, so we got our pork chops. Our pork chops are nice and dry. I just want to flip them over. We want to put nice, dry pork chops on the grill, and this is why I'm salting them right away. I don't want to salt them and then put them right on the grill. Just salt and pepper, guys. Don't forget the sides. And these go on the grill. All right, guys, as you can see, we're at what, 550? That's what this, at least that's what this says. All right, so let's open this up. Hey guys, I got all three burners going. So I'm gonna turn this burner off because this grill is gonna be a little bit way too hot. So that's off. And we're just gonna go down with our pork chops. And I'm gonna do like 2-3 minutes, and then I'll flip, 2-3 minutes, and then flip. And I'm not worried about getting grill marks or anything like that. And we're also gonna make sure we get the sides. I'm gonna close this down, and I'll bring back in like 3 minutes. All right, guys, we got our raviolis in the water. I don't need to show you this, it's no big deal. And we also got our tomato sauce going separately, right? Because we're gonna just put the tomato sauce over top of the raviolis. All right, guys, so let's take a look. It's been about 2 minutes or so. See what we got. It releases nicely. Boom. So I'm gonna give these a quick turn. Releases nicely. I'm gonna give these a quick turn. Alright, guys, so let's take a look. We're kicking up some flames here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pull back just a little bit. Let's give this a turn. Uh-oh, guys, gotta be careful. I almost singed the flames, right? Let's move it away from the flames. I'm gonna flip this one over. And we'll be back in another few minutes. All right, guys, so it's been another minute. As you can see, we're off. Our flame is here and our flame is here, so our pork chops have been in the middle of that with no actual real flame touching them. So let's just take our quick temp. You should be closer to 165. Woo, gosh, we pushing it. All right, these are coming off. 165 exact. I wanted to do a little bit less than that, but it's our pork chops, guys. Right? Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's take these inside. We're gonna let these rest for 5 minutes. All right, so our meat is done, right? Our raviolis are done to package directions, right? We cooked them for 5 minutes until they started floating, right? Right, and then we're gonna go down with some nice parsley, right? And then we're gonna go in right on top with some of our spaghetti sauce or our pasta sauce or our traditional Italian sauce, right on top. Maybe just a little bit more. And that's it, guys. This is dinner. This is dinner. Maybe a little bit more parsley on top. That's it, guys. It's pretty simple, right? Guys, we got some really good pork and we got some raviolis. Guys, how about this, huh? Doesn't that look great? All right, guys, let me give you guys a flyover. There you go. Guys, so simple, right? All we had to do was go out and grill the pork chops. We just threw these in for 5 minutes and heated up some spaghetti sauce. This is a Monday night dinner. Yep. All right, guys, so you know what? Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video, right? Guys, this is simple. So if you like it, subscribe. All right. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.